Skeletons, go on the island. You need
Go on the
arrows.
island. Go on the island, dude. You need the arrows.
All right, if I get a $200 donation right now, I will go to the island. And I will kill every mob on the
Dream,
island.
just prove your skill. You can use your shield. Go on the.
I could. I guess it would make it easier for me to beat the game, but.
Dream.
Oh, no!
Go to the island. Go to the island. Yes. Go.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh
The
no.
skeleton's gone.
Oh god. I don't like spiders! I don't like spiders! Please!
Come on.
No! No, my god! Oh my god! Why did I get... Oh god! No, you coded it wrong! You take damage even with the shield! You get shocked even with the shield!
Yeah.
You get shocked even with the shield! Fix it! No!
Yes! Yes! So good.
Fix it now and send me the plugin. I am reloading. I have. No! Please! No!
Oh my god.
No! Oh god! Okay, please don't shock me. If the shield. Oh god, it works. It doesn't work. It shocks me. It shocks me anyway. Just fix your. Holy shit! You are so annoying. You suck at coding. Oh! No!
What? Hit the pigman. What are you?
No! Please stop! Ow! Please! I can't!
Kill it.
I did.
Oh my god.
There are too many wither skeletons. I don't want to do this anymore. That was.
One of these times you're gonna be blocking the blaze is going to.
No! Please, how long do I have it for? No! Sweet penalty, isn't it? Okay, well, I should have just done it.